Hi everyone, my name is Bay from InspireTech. Today I would like to share how SMEs can quickly help your team access your company's documents and to continue collaborating quickly. All right, so let me work through three problems companies face when staff goes into remote work environment. So in this frenzy to move people to work from home, staff may end up storing files in any of their personal drives. And in the event where their hard disk unfortunately crashed, all the files will be lost. So with EasiShare's real-time synchronization of file, each time a document is edited or is completed, it gets synced and backed up without disturbing the user. And if there's a need to restore, you can just simply install EasyShare on the new notebook and the files can be synced and downloaded again. All right, so the second problem that we might face or we might encounter, people are busy sending files through emails, which actually leads to unnecessary uploads or downloads. And there might be a chance of dealing with confusing versions and also file renaming. All right, so with EasyShare, we allow you to collaborate with version history. This actually allows you to minimize training and behavioral change with double-click to edit, and to avoid co-worker accidental overriding of your files with our auto lock a file while in edit mode feature. All right, and the last one would be in the event where if you're unhappy with your files, you can also restore previous version with versioning without the help of IT to perform any backups. All right, so our final problem, I believe some of you might face some issues of having no access to folders or files, or you will require IT to issue you these permissions. So today with EasyShare, you will be able to assign team leaders for each folders, and they will be able to assign permissions and to set different roles to their co-workers. So with that, let me just show you a demo of how EasyShare works. So as you can see here, this is EasyShare Explorer. This is the desktop client. All right, so you can see the different green icons with a tick. It shows that these are the selected ones that I have actually chose to synchronize. All right, so those without will not be in sync. All right, and moving forward, double click to edit. All right, so once I've opened up the file, you can see that this file has been checked out by me and my coworkers will not be able to open up and edit the file. All right, so let me just do some editing and save it. So once I'm done, the files will be automatically uploaded back. All right, and if let's say you're unhappy with the current version, you can actually do a show version and it will actually show the different versions over here, and you can actually do a download version too, or even a restore version. All right, and finally, you can actually do manage permissions. So this is where you can add your co-workers, you can give them different permissions, author, contributor, reader, or even viewer. All right, and there's also a folder expiry over here, which will automatically delete once the date is up. So with the demo, I would like to wrap up by showing you all how EasyShare can safeguard your files in three different aspects. So under control, we allow settings of permissions and policies at company, group, or even user level. And whereas for visibility, you are able to get comprehensive audit logs and reports from the EasyShare Central Admin Portal. And finally, under security, you can safeguard your files with OTP 2FA and also protect your files with view-only mode with watermark that is splashed all across the document. So before I end, here's a quick snapshot of who we are. So InspireTech is founded in 2000 and to date. So besides helping companies on secure data access, we also help companies in communication like SMS and WhatsApp messaging with our other products and services. And on behalf of InspireTech, I would like to share with you our commitment to the community. You will be able to enjoy free usage of EasyShare for the first 90 days. You can feel free to reach out to me by scanning my contact details in the QR code over here. Thank you very much.